Bagman Talk Show 2. Got it? Okay. And today's guest star is Bagman. Woo.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone watching this. Thank you. What a nice round of applause welcoming. Thank you. Okay, Bagman, thanks for having me on the show. What are we going to talk about today?
Today we're going to talk about the screen. It was just invented. It's made from cows. First, you put it on for 30 minutes and your skin is smooth as a baby's bottom. Applause like you will move!
Thank you. Anyway, so, do you want to go out for, like, lunch? I was thinking Olive Garden.
Okay.
My treat. Let's go.